Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So what's in this box is the last of a collection for me, unless they come out with some new colors, but I kind of have a feeling that this style is on the way out because I was told it was being replaced by another style. I also have a couple of fabulous items from Dress Up Your Purse that I want to show you in the next day or two. These are two awesome straps, and I have so many bags that I can show you these with. I saw these and kind of fell in love, and the way that I work with Dress Up Your Purse is if I see something I love that I want to share, then I go ahead and message them. And so Melody with Dress Up Your Purse was generous and sent these to me so that I can show you. And I really can't wait to do that, but I am so stinking tired right now. I cleaned out my garage. Well, not even the whole thing, just a little part of my garage today. And my bones hurt. I'm tired down to the tips of my toes. And I only did one little section, but it was bad. We have a little storage area for food out in our garage and other things, and it had not been went through for a few years. And then we have a little bit of a rodent problem apparently, which I discovered in the process because we had sticky traps underneath the shelves that we had not had access to for a long time. And let me just tell you, it was absolutely horrifying and disgusting. But now that I'm done talking about unpleasant matters, let's get to the pleasant matters, okay? So I'm gonna get out my ceramic knife. This purchase came from eBay. I have linked the bag that I'm about to show you. I have linked it in the description box as well as on my community page. And it is currently on sale for, I believe, $319.50, marked down from $450. I did not pay that much because I found it on eBay, and the seller I purchased it from had fantastic feedback. And since I have one that I got from Coach, I know that I can look at that one and compare if I have any authenticity questions. But this item is still new with tags. That looks like a Dillard's or a Macy's return tag. And if you can look right there, you'll see what color it is. So yes, it does have the black hardware. But like I was saying the other day, I feel like if it's black hardware or gunmetal hardware or black copper hardware, whatever you want to call it, and it is with a darker color handbag like this color, then if you do get a little chip on it, it's not going to show up as much as if it was like a really pale lilac, like the bag that I opened the other day and ended up deciding to return. So first, thank the Lord, we've got the keeper because the strap's not attached. I need to grab my glasses. Hang on a second. So I've got my glasses on now. I'm going to just look her over because this item was represented as new with tags. I just want to make sure that we don't have any chipping on the hardware and everything looks a-okay as I open this bag, because this is from an eBay seller, and the eBay seller is one of not very many that offers free returns, and free returns means they don't charge a restocking fee. And so I would definitely take advantage of that if there were any issues. And in fact, if there were any issues, since I paid with PayPal, then PayPal would cover the return shipping. And so I'm not worried about that. Okay, let's see. It is scratched on the C right there. Like, it's scratched up. So let me look a little more and just see what else there is to see. Well, I'm frustrated because, like I said the other day, whenever I opened the lilac one, it had scratches, and that's why I went and grabbed my glasses. It had scratches on the C and I decided I didn't want to keep it because of those scratches. And now this one has scratches on the seat too. They're more noticeable definitely on, oh wow, yes, on the side that has the hang tag. I don't think I'm going to be able to get them to show you on camera. The rest of the bag, I mean, it looks good. There's like a green jacquard 1941 fabric on the inside. And guys, I think that this needs to go back because even though it is beautiful, I feel like those scratches are going to get worse. And even though it is dark hardware with the darker colored bag, I absolutely hate it that it has scratches before I even got started. Oh my gosh, before I even ever touched it. And you guys witnessed me unbox this from the get-go. They're really small, but I do not like scratches on my bag. I really don't. So I think I'm going to be happy with the red Soft Tabby Hobo and my Canyon Soft Tabby Hobo. If you get scratches on the brass hardware, you just don't see them because you don't go through the exterior coating like you do with the black copper hardware. So this is a fail for me. It was a good deal. I think I paid $209 plus shipping, so I believe it was around $221, and retail in the bag is $450. But it wasn't indicated that there were any defects, and whenever I sell a bag, I always make sure to tell whoever is buying that it has anything. And scratches on the hardware, particularly on the hang tag side, probably caused by that bead chain, darn it. It's just not something I want. And I mean, it's a pretty nice looking bag. I mean, look, it looks pretty darn good with my outfit, but I think I'm going to be happy with the red one and with the Canyon one and just not have this one. I think this is just not for me. The fact that it has damage makes it not for me. Hey, it's future me. I wasn't planning on inserting anything, but I realized that I forgot to tell you why I don't think there's going to be more Soft Tabby Hobos. The reason for that is I was told that the carry bag is replacing the Soft Tabby Hobo. I prefer the Soft Tabby Hobo style because it's around 3 inches deep versus around 5 inches deep. And 5 inches deep under my arm, it just goes out too far. The Carry Hobo has pebbled leather, which would be more durable, but it doesn't have as nice of a lining as the Soft Tabby Hobo. And I also believe that it's a little bit heavier, probably a lot because of the increased depth of the bag. I love that the Soft Tabby Hobo has the C that swivels, although that can be problematic, as we have seen for the dark hardware. The dark hardware doesn't fare well with interaction with the other hardware. If it's going to bump up against each other, it's going to get messed up. And so for me, for this bag, I'm only going to have gold hardware. I run the risk with my Pillow Madisons, the Army Green, and the Chambray now that I am keeping of having issues with the hardware on those. But I do have a dear friend, Julie from Agent Bag Reviews, who has her black on black Pillow Madison. And she has used it continuously for about 3 weeks and has found that there is no wear on the turn lock and there is only slight wear where the chain goes through the grommets and it's hard to see. So I'm okay with that, especially considering I probably won't use the Pillow Madison bags all the time. But I'm not okay with a bag like the Soft Tabby Hobo having the black copper hardware if it scratches before I even use it, or if it's scratched upon arrival. So those are my thoughts on the bag. I'm going to go ahead and send you back to past me to finish talking to you about a few other things. Stick around. I think that you might like what I have to say. Bye. So, oh man, what a bummer. On the flip side, I did get some running shoes with my Zappos rewards points from an order I placed a while back. Zappos had an incredible deal the last time I ordered a bag from them, and I earned $55 in rewards, which I then applied to a new pair of running shoes, and these are Brooks. I just put them on for the first time, and they feel like a cloud. They have so much arch support. I can link these down in the box. I wore my regular size, which is size 9. In the Hey Dudes, I go down to a size 8. But these, I wear a size 9, and they feel amazing. I haven't got new running shoes for like 10 years because I spend all my money on handbags. So go figure. But I think the pearl gray color is just fantastic, and I plan on going for a walk in them tomorrow. On another note, I have been posting like mad on my community page. So if you haven't went on over there, let me just tell you how, because I've had some people asking me how to get to my community page. Well, first, the way that you do it is you subscribe to my channel. And then when you're on one of my videos, you can click on me. There's a little circle with my image right below where the video screen is within YouTube. You click on that and it will bring you to my channel's homepage. My channel's homepage has a lot of different options. It has playlists. I've created so many playlists for you. So it's easy to find videos on different types of bags, on handbag care, on real versus replica. I've got a bunch of playlists, and it took me a long time to create those. I hope that will help anybody who's looking for more information on a particular brand or a particular style that I may have a lot of. On top of that, up at the top where you can toggle between my videos and my playlists, another tab that's only available if you're a subscriber is my community tab. And most mornings I will get online and I will surf all of the stores that I like to shop and see if there's any price drops on Coach, Tory Burch, Longchamp, and I do look for Marc Jacobs from time to time, but mostly the discounts I'm able to find on those would be through 24S. And so if I notice they have a new color or something like that, I will post those as well. So if you don't check my community page and you're looking for a handbag, it is an excellent place to shop. There have been a lot of deals lately that are close to 50% off or more than 50% off for Tory Burch, which is fantastic. Coach, there have been ones that are closer to 60 or 70% off. So definitely go check that out if you haven't yet, because if you haven't, you're missing out. So if you like videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring my notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. If you go to the search bar, you just type in the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase, and I will pop right up. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.